Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
I want to thank each and every one of you guys for coming out this morning, helping us out at Melrose Park. We have a lot of stuff for us to do out here today. And today we have the Everest group. They're volunteers. We're here mulching the trees. We have some that are painting benches. They're painting H-frames. We have some guys to install a barbecue pit.
I want to be a painter, so painters come with me. Painters!
We're located in Houston, so I wanted it to be, very Houston focused. It's great to get out of the office and kind of do something all together, and everybody's all smiles.
Just doing fantastic.
Whenever we have guys that can come out and give their time, their commitment, their dedication, it helps us, especially with our staff doing other projects. So I was able to let my guys go over and focus on this while we have the volunteers come over here and focus over here. So it really helps us out a lot.
Great for team building, and so many of our employees have like a particular team that they work on, and this gets everybody together. It mixes everybody up. You have people hanging out, accomplishing a goal together that don't normally work together every single day. I mean, the whole company is a team overall, but it helps to get to know people a little bit better when you can interact outside of the office.
All of the limbs that we have down just help us bringing it to the chipper.
So whenever people come together, it makes it stronger. A group of people is stronger than just one. It takes everyone, not just one person. So everyone can kind of work together. We can make things happen as a whole, as a group. And that's what we're trying to do here today. As a team, make it happen.